What's going on, Mob of the Dead? You know how yesterday I talked about getting the grenades upgraded? It's possibly, not sure. Need to test it out myself. I was playing a game earlier, and Brett wanted to play Minecraft. Then, you know, get poisoned by a cave spider and creepers, you know. Wasn't too far from my home, but halfway across the map. So not far away from my house, it's Brett's house, but, and there was a ravine. When I was getting there, I died because I fell off a cliff, and then I actually got to the ravine, and I'm like, okay, my stuff is just over there, better go get it. I jump, and I completely miss the water. The third time, I make it, but everything's gone. Somehow I managed to survive down there. Anyways, interesting quotes on Mob of the Dead, you know, but the storyline. Do you like the storyline? I quite like the storyline. It's based on real events. Short vlog today. Was it yesterday or the last vlogs? I think it was last vlog. No, yesterday, but the vlog before that. You know what I'm saying? We just ate. Got our report cards on Thursday. Grab that. Shirt. Only found one diamond. But found 11. Because I was AFK for a little bit. Not really. Yeah, sort of. Yeah. So, I'm gonna end the vlog off here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't dislike, or else you'll fall in a ravine and not be lucky by landing an 8th block of water. You might land an 8th block of water, but you... Sorry, my throat's a little weird today. You might land in the water, but you won't survive. Bye.